YouTube, we back at it again. It's your boy Lord Finesse 100. Today is Sunday Gun Day. Sunday Fun Day. Sunday. I don't care however you want to look at it. Just know today we busting off some rounds. Today we have a new item on my AR. It's the CMMG conversion, the 22 LR conversion kit. We're in the pistol bay, so we can use it here. And we're gonna try to break that in. We're gonna try to do some 22s. No, not that. We're actually gonna try to do some 2-gun drills. So let's see how this works out. Never really did a 2-gun drill before. Let's see how the body reacts to it, the reflexes. And we're not really working too much on speed, just on the mechanics. We just want to, we're trying to get it going, trying to get this a good habit. We're trying to make a good habit out of this. AR to the handgun, back to the AR, and so on. So you guys stick around. We're gonna send them down range. We'll get the ball rolling. Let's go. So also, listen. Just remembered something. We also have this pretty cool attachment that goes onto the assault rifle right here. And it's gonna give you a dynamic view that you've never seen before. You guys play Call of Duty, right? Please, come on out. It's 2024, we had the pandemic, the bandemic, we was in the crib playing Call of Duty. I'm about to give you guys the POV, the Call of Duty view from the assault rifle. I ain't gonna tell you how, but I'm gonna just show you. And you guys let me know if there's some more videos you wanna see from this view. I'm also trying to get it going for the handgun, but just for today, we're gonna do it with the assault rifle, with the 22 LR conversion, and you guys let me know if this is something you guys wanna keep seeing, all right? Roll out. Failure to feed already? I know, I saw that one. I ain't even worried about it. Is it my spring? Is it the rounds?
Broken?
No, I don't think it's broken. Figure it out.
Did that hit you?
No.
It's broken. They're supposed to do that.
Of course not. Let's see what we got here. Damn it. Damn it. Put it on the back of my pants. See what happens. This thing running kind of weird, man. That's not good. Let me see. See that? See that? What's going on here? I don't know, man. I guess it just needs to be broken, and I don't know, that's a little tough, but CMMG, I don't know. Got me feeling some kind of way right now. All right, so This thing probably just needed to get warmed up and broken in a little, because just now the issues I was having was insane. I'm talking about this thing with the failure to feed, failure to eject, but I think we got it. I think we sorted it out. It had a little minor issue, but with a little adjustment, some more lube, always some more lube. And then you go ahead, cycle it a few times, run through a few ammo, and I feel like it's kind of catching itself now. So I don't know. I'm not too yet sold on this device. It's a quick swap, but you know, I feel like it's giving me more issues than it's been working so far. So we're gonna actually, you know, try to put it in some good use right now, cycle it some more. Let's try to put about 100 rounds through it and see how many actually fail and how many actually go down range. But not too convinced, I'm being honest with you. Not too convinced right now. I need this thing to work. It's $160. I ain't rich. I want my money back if it don't work. I'll tell you that now. All right, so loaded this up. About to try to run this down range and hope that everything goes through. I don't know. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Looks good to me. So I don't know. You guys think 22s are worth it? Because realistically, I know y'all see the prices of ammo. They're crazy right now. Crazy. And I ain't got it. Broke, baby. I ain't got no money. So I felt for $160 and for 5,000 rounds, you only gotta pay what? 200 odd bucks, probably 250. This might be a good investment. Yeah, you ain't got the recoil like no 5.56 or no 2.23, but at the same time, you know, you can still practice, run through the drills, all that good stuff. So I feel like it's worth it, you know what I'm saying? And it's a quick, like a quick swap at that, super quick. Like you ain't even gotta sit there all day and you don't need no gunsmith or none of that. It's just, you know, remove the bolt carrier group, slide that new bolt carrier group in for the 22s, and it's running. Do need a lot of oil though starting it up, I promise you that. But other than that, it's running. So let's run it right now and let's see what's up. I feel good about this one. I mean, I ain't complaining. I ain't complaining right now. You guys are not subscribing, liking, sharing. I need you guys to keep the momentum, keep it going, help me out here. And yeah, share these videos, man, so we could grow out here as a family, you know? But enough of the chit chat. And unfortunately, I'm at the range again by myself. You wanna know why? All my friends canceled on me, nothing new. So I gotta just figure it out. Gotta get it done one way or another, right? So we here. But we ain't no sucker. We gonna toughen up, send them down range, and get some good footage today. You know what I mean? Something nice. There's 3 targets here, they're all steel. So we're gonna do 2 to the middle, 2 to the left, 2 to the right, switch to the handgun, 2 to the middle, 2 to the left, 2 to the right. 22 twos. You know the vibes. Get this ball rolling. $13 seconds? I mean, we really wasn't trying to get no record-breaking time now. Don't clown me. Please don't clown me. But you know, just practicing, just practicing. Got 1047. Now, I ain't gonna hold you. I think I missed some shots. I think I missed some shots, but we're gonna pace it. Nine, 7, 8. Me like it. Me like it enough. Whoo! Whoo! I like the 22. I ain't gonna lie. I like it. I'm feeling that. For the 2-gun drill that I want to do now, we're gonna do using the 22. We're gonna go left to right, pull down to the handgun, and go right to left. Let's see what kind of time we get at that. I mean, there's no real pressure or nothing, but you know, let's just see what kind of time we get. Whoa, whoa. I almost forgot which direction I was shooting. That time is terrible though. Well, not bad, not bad. Got an 827. Quick thing, right? You know what else I noticed about the 22 LR conversion? Is this right here. Take a look at this. See how it stays open? If the magazine goes down or drops or whatever, it closes. I'm gonna do some Googling to make sure that's normal. But yeah. And 827, 827. Let's see what we get now. Whoa. All right, let's try that again. Left to right, right to left. I got a bad habit of just going right down the middle. That's 6 shots. 664. Pretty slow, but you know, I'll take it though, honestly. All right, so I don't want to stay on this drill too long. My mind is wandering. I don't know, probably because I'm kind of hungry or because all my friends let me down today, but we're gonna wrap this one up. We're gonna do a quick, same thing, but we're gonna cycle backwards. We're gonna go from right to left, left to right. Let's see what we get. I'll probably go without the gloves this time. Let's see what we get. .637. I don't know. Feel off today. I feel off. Feel malnourished. Huh. Well, honestly, I knew today was going to be a short day anyway. Wasn't really planning on being out here too long. I just really wanted to come out and try out this conversion kit. Overall, I'm going to give it like an 8 out of 10. Initially, it kind of scared me. I thought we had like a lot of malfunctions. But then after like 3 magazines, that thing was flawless. And it's been that way since. And for the price value of it, $160? That's a come up. That's a come up. Because for $160, you probably get you what? A couple rounds of 5.56 and your range day is going to be extremely short. So you're not going to have too much fun out there. But when you go ahead and you have a kit like this, and you think to yourself 223, 5.56, or if you want to just practice, go through like, you know, the motions, the drills. This 22 LR kit is freaking perfect, man. It ain't bad at all. 160 bucks. You get like 5,000 rounds of 22 for what, 250 bucks. It's a win. It's a win. It's a win-win situation. So, honestly, I'm gonna give it my thumbs up, my recommendation. Any of you that own an assault rifle, looking to save some bread, go with the kit. It's worth the money, personally. You know, I wouldn't send you down the wrong path. And what he shoot? Other than that, I do have a surprise for you guys. It's not in the video, but it's gonna be in the shorts. And it's a view. It's a view. It's a Call of Duty view. Blowing your mind. I got like a little attachment for both my AR, my 5.56 and my 7.62. And when I tell you, you're gonna think you're playing Call of Duty. You're gonna think you playing Call of Duty when you see me let that off. The one thing though, don't judge me too much on the scope, the 1x6 scope, because it's actually sighted in for 100 yards on a 7.62. So on the 22 it's kind of, but you get the drift. You see the point of where I'm going. So we're gonna save that for another day. Hopefully go to the range again this week and go down range, like 100 yards and better, and try to get some footage of that for you guys using that perspective that I'm talking about, the Call of Duty view. You guys are gonna love it, promise you. Jump in there, like, subscribe, share, send it to your peoples. And when you're done with this, jump in them shorts and you're gonna see what I left for you. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Peace, God.